it's me, Allegra. I'm super excited today because I've got a bunch of new drugstore makeup that I'm really itching to play with. So I figured that's what we would do today and do some testing out new drugstore makeup. Before we get started though, if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Alegra Chetty. I hope you'll subscribe and stay in touch. Also give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. It helps me out so much. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this testing out new drugstore makeup video. The first thing that I want to try out with you dolls is the NYX. This is the Marshmallow Primer. Oh, let's just go ahead. Oh, this is a really nice texture. I love these kind of primers when they're really kind of thick. Ooh, it feels good. I love brightening primers, and this is right up my alley. This is my jam right here type of thing because I love to be brightened. This feels really hydrating. Is this supposed to be hydrating too? Oh, it smells good. Oh my god, it has a very light scent, like almost like candy. It's giving a dewiness to my skin, and I totally could see wearing this on its own with a little bit of concealer and some powder. Definitely I would wear this on its own. So what do you guys think? Do you see a difference? I feel brightened, I feel hydrated, I feel like it plumped my complexion. It's definitely more radiant. Wow, I'm so glad I tried that. So let's keep it moving. Let's see here. I do have this, guys. This is a new Maybelline foundation. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. So initially I saw the packaging and that's what really drew me to it, the pink, and then I love the sponge tip applicator and how big it is. I've never seen a foundation with an applicator like this. You know, of course there's the concealer, but I've never seen a foundation like this before, so I was like, give me that right now, put it in my cart, thank you very much. So guys, look at that. I can't wait to try this. Let's go ahead. Ooh, oh my god, guys, I was really scared to buy this. I don't know why. Through the packaging, I thought it had shimmer in it, but there is no shimmer. This feels incredible too. Wow, and look how easy you can do your makeup on the go because it does come with this sponge. So that's really handy. It feels so good. It's so lightweight, feels gel-like or water weight in texture. This reminds me of the Dior Forever, which is like $70. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. This is so skin-like, but gave coverage, feels incredible. You don't even need to put any more on. It matched my complexion perfectly. Today I don't have another concealer. I don't have a drugstore concealer on me right now. So I'm just gonna use this little Tarte that I picked up. This is a small one, but it's been lasting a long time. I got this at Ulta, so I'll just put a little bit of this on. And I'm gonna put some on my eyes too because I'm gonna do some eyeshadow, of course, naturally. I'm so excited, guys. I've never been to Five Below, and I finally got to go the other day, and it was like, first of all, when I first walked in, I didn't realize the one that I went to, the makeup was in the back, so I didn't even realize they had all the makeup. And so when I walked in, I loved it. They had the cutest stuff ever, Christmas stuff. Oh my god, everything was like under $5. Was amazing, and I was having the time of my life. And then I got to the back of the store and I was like, shut the front door. When I saw all of that makeup, the beauty was just going crazy. You can't even imagine how excited I am, how excited I was. And not only that, but I gotta tell you guys, I found some products there that, I'm just gonna use a little bit of setting powder. They had these foot masks from Freeman. I don't know if you've ever tried them. They're $3. Oh my god, my feet have never felt so soft in my entire life, and it's lasting because I used the mask. It's like a week later, my feet are still soft, so soft. I was like, I have to tell the beauties. I was like, I don't know how. I was like, I gotta get this out to you right away. It's literally life-changing because your feet are so soft, and my feet were really hurting because, you know, they were just getting cracked and dry and everything. And then I put that mask on and I was like, it was incredible. So anyway, now I do have here this Covergirl press powder. So I really want to try this. Let's just go ahead and try it. I've had this for a while. This is supposedly a wrinkle reducing powder and instant wrinkle blurring. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my poof and I'm just going to put some of this on. Oh, that's really nice. This really is blurring. I don't know if you could see that, but it actually does look like it's giving a blurring effect. It did really give that filter effect. And this is a very complimentary shade as well. I wonder what shade this is. This is Classic Ivory 210. You know what? I would love to get one of these in a deeper shade and use it as a bronzer because this is so gorgeous. I can't believe it. So anyway, beauties, now this I did try already and I love this so much. I couldn't wait to come and share it with you because I know that I had been looking for the Dior blush dupe and I tried the NYX, the Sweet Cheeks, which I love. I love the Sweet Cheeks so much. I'm totally reaching for this all the time now over the Dior. I still have my Dior here and I still reach for the Sweet Cheeks. But then I tried this one the other day and this one is so good. It's stunning. I actually think this is a better dupe. This one is called Tickled Pink and oh, it's gorgeous. See, this is way lighter. But you know what? This is much lighter than the NYX. So actually I think I do like the NYX better because this is very light compared. The NYX has a little bit more to it. Maybe it's the powder underneath. I don't know why I feel like they're looking much not as vibrant as usual. Here's the Dior. That's the Dior. And then this is the Revlon. I'm just gonna put a little in the same exact place. I think it's an exact. Oh, I gotta show you this, beauties. This is what I wanted to show you. This is what I was trying to tell you before, but I digressed. I bought this at Five Below. It's an exact dupe for the Huda, and I gotta tell you, I just used this color, 2 of these colors already. I'm gonna use more today. Oh my gosh, it looked exactly like my Natasha Denona, Tom Ford. Oh my gosh, this was $5. It might have even been less, but I think it was 5. I mean, let's say everything's under 5 and under. So this is the Bare It All Raw. They had so many to choose from. I'm probably the last ones. I was sleeping on Five Below. A lot of you beauties like, no girl, we knew about this. This stuff is amazing, and I gotta go back because they had so much more, but that was my first time. I wasn't sure if it was gonna be, even the foot mask, I wasn't sure how it was gonna work for me. So I didn't realize how amazing it was. So now when I go back to Five Below, forget about it. Like, I'm gonna just go buck wild. It's absolutely stunning. I don't see any difference. And now I'm just gonna smudge some with a pencil brush with the same shade. I truly see I don't see a difference between this and any high-end palette that I have. It's crazy. Have you guys tried this yet? This is my first time trying it. I mean, this is my second time trying it, but you guys know what I mean. I'm just gonna take the deeper shade now. I'm gonna stamp it on and make a little wing. Guys, I just want to tell you, I got this eyeliner this is from Dollar General, Believe Beauty. I've never tried this before. It's a brown eyeliner from them, so I'm just giving it a try. This is the shimmer in the palette. I'm shocked. I haven't tried the shimmers yet. I just tried that one transition shade. This is stunning. Actually, let me use my finger. Oh, look at that with the finger. Oh my God. Amazing. And this isn't wet or anything. And I did, like I said, I did wear some colors from this palette the other day and they didn't irritate my eyes or anything like that. So how amazing is that for, we'll say $5. Might have been 3. Might have been 3, you guys. I'm just mixing these two together now to make a nice crease shade. I'm in love with this. On here, this is the Revlon Mascara. This is so stinking good, guys. This is the Big Bad Lash. This definitely, it reminds me of the Dior Show mascara, but this gives you lashes upon lashes upon lashes. So beautiful. How beautiful is that? $5 palette. I can't get over it. So I'm just going to take my Believe Beauty contour stick and just run it down the sides like so. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to fix it. So then you take a type of shader brush, an eyeshadow brush, and let me see, this is clean, and then you just kind of drag it down. But also bring it into the bridge, up into your eyeshadow too. That's really nice. And then I'm just going to take some powder, the face powder. I'm just going to wipe off that same brush. And then I'm just going to, you just put it on the side of your nose, going right over the contour. And again, you could just pull it down even. And I'm just going to pop on a lip. I have here this Morphe lip liner. I actually have the nude one too that came with the Ashley Strong, but I'm just going to put this one on today. It's a little bit, has a little bit of a berry tone to it. This one is also from the Ashley Strong collab collection. This one is called Tourmaline. So I'm just going to put some of this on. And then I have that e.l.f. that I tried the other day. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Core Lip Shine. I love this. It feels so good. So I'm just gonna pop on some lashes, then I'll come back with the finished look. So beauties, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today and testing out new drugstore makeup, or at least a lot of this is new to me. I'm not sure if it's new to the market, but it's new to me. So it was so much fun to try it out today with you dolls. Let me know what you think of everything. Have you tried out? Okay, I first of all have to say I am definitely hooked on that NYX primer, the Marshmallow Primer. This palette from Five Below, OMG, can you believe it? I just can't believe it. This foundation from Maybelline, stunning, stunning, stunning. And everything I love. Oh, this blush. This blush, I really do feel like I like the Revlon one better. And now it's on sale. It's originally $14, but it's on sale right now at Ulta for $7. They said online only. So I could just go on and on. I just love everything. This lip, the lip line, the Morphe lip liner. Oh my God. And you got to try their other one. The nude one is gorgeous. I mean, there's one that's more of a, you know, more of a deeper nude. It's like just a Kim KW dupe. I don't know any nude. It's totally nude. So it's gorgeous. But anyway, beauties, thank you so much again for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know what you like best from today's look down below, and I will see you very soon. Bye.